Good morning. Today we are dealing with the topic Women Entrepreneurship. Myself Silda, Assistant Professor, Department of Retail Management. Meaning, women entrepreneurship is a dynamic and evolving phenomena that reflects the changing roles and aspirations of women in the business world. In recent years, there has been a noticeable rise in the number of women venturing into entrepreneurship, breaking the traditional norms and contributing significantly to the economic development and innovation. The growing trend highlights the resilience, creativity, and transformative potential of women as they carve out of the paths in various industries and sectors. In this context, exploring the landscape of women entrepreneurship offers insight to the challenges facing, the impact created, and the positive shift occurring in the broader entrepreneurial ecosystem. So, in today's world, the women entering into the field of entrepreneurship is comparative to all tradition. It is increasing. There are a lot of women come forward with more confidence to enter into the field of entrepreneurship. So today we are dealing with the topic women entrepreneurship. Why women entrepreneurship is such important? This is the importance of why the women entrepreneurship important. Importance of women entrepreneurship. First one, the basic one is economic growth. Women entrepreneurs plays a crucial role in driving economic growth. By establishing and expanding businesses, they contribute to job creation, income generation, and overall economic development. The diversification of the entrepreneurial landscape with women-led ventures chances the resilience and vibrancy of economies. So basically, the first point is why the women entrepreneurship is important is it is economic growth. Then innovation and creativity. As we all know, diversity fosters innovation and women bring unique perspectives, ideas and approaches to the business world. Encouraging women entrepreneurship contributes to a more innovative and creative business environment, leading to the development of new products, services and business models. So, the main one is innovation and creativity. If you give a chance to women, then we will get a large, wide range of new products, new ideas, and new environment in our society. Then, social impact and responsibility. That is, women led business often prioritize social impact and responsibility. Many women entrepreneurs focus on sustainable and socially responsible practices and socially responsible entrepreneurship ideas, contributing to positive change in the communities. This commitment to social causes enhances the overall corporate responsibility of the business. So, compared to men, women give more social commitment. Then, role modeling and inspiration. Successful women entrepreneurs serve as a powerful role models, inspiring other women and girls to pursue the entrepreneurial aspirations. Visibility of women leaders in business challenges, stereotypes, encourage ambition and promotes a culture where women feel empowered to take a leadership roles. Next one is community development. Women entrepreneurs frequently engage in women development initiative, investing in local projects and addressing specific needs within their communities. This localized focus creates a ripple effect, fostering sustainable development and improving the quality of life for men. Then contributing to global competitiveness. Contributing to global competitiveness. That is, a diverse workforce and business landscape enhance a nation's global competitiveness. Women entrepreneurs bring a wealth of skill, talent, and perspectives that contribute to the overall competitiveness of industries and markets on the international stage. Then entrepreneurial ecosystem growth. The active participation of women in entrepreneurship contributes to the growth and diversification of the entrepreneurial ecosystem. It encourages the development of networks, support system, and mentorship opportunities tailored to the unique needs of women entrepreneurs, fostering a more inclusive business environment. The next one is addressing unmet market need. That is, women entrepreneurs often identify and address unmet market needs, creating products and services that resonate with a diverse consumer base. This is not only expand business opportunity but ensure that a broad range of consumer needs are met. This is why women entrepreneurship is important. Then opportunities of women entrepreneurs in current era. Opportunities of women entrepreneurs in the current world. First one is access to funding. Although there are maybe challenges and there is a growing awareness and effort to increase funding opportunities for women and business. Women entrepreneurs can explore avenues such as venture capital, angel investors, grants, and crowdfunding to secure the capital needed for their business development. Second point is networking and mentorship. Networking events, industry conferences, and mentorship programs provide valuable opportunities to women entrepreneurs to connect with experienced professional potential collaborators and vendors. Building a strong network can offer guidance, support, and open doors to new opportunities. Third one is government and corporate initiative. Many government and corporations recognize the importance of women entrepreneurship and have implemented programs to support and promote women-led business. These initiatives often include grant, training program, and resource tailored to the specific needs of the women entrepreneurs. Diverse industries. Women entrepreneurs are making significant strides in the various industries, including technology, healthcare, finance, and social enterprises. The diversification of industries creates opportunities for women to bring their skill, perspectives, innovation to different sectors. Then e-commerce and online business. As we all know, today we are in the world of internet. There is a lot of advantages in the field of e-commerce when compared to starting a business. That is, the rise of e-commerce and online platform has lowered barriers to entry the entrepreneurs. Women can leverage the digital platform to start and grow business. In their home, they can start a business and grow business, reaching a global and audience without need for a physical store. In today's world, the main advantage of e-commerce in the business field is we did not need a physical store to run a business, to start a business. In the home alone, we can start a business. So, social entrepreneurship. There is a growing interest in business that have a positive impact on society and the environment. Women entrepreneurs can explore opportunities in social entrepreneurs, creating ventures that address social or environmental challenges while remaining financially sustainable. Global market access. The global nature of business today allows women entrepreneurs to access international market. E-commerce platform, digital marketing, and global networks enable women to expand their reach and compete on a global scale. Then women-centric products and services. Recognizing the diverse needs of women consumers, there are opportunities for women entrepreneurs to create and market products and services specially designed for women. This includes sectors such as health, wellness, beauty, fashion, and more. Then collaboration and partnership. Collaborating with other business, both locally and internationally, present opportunities for women entrepreneurs to share resources, expand their customer base, and access new markets. Then, as we all know, in today's world, we facing there are a lot of gender inequality, gender bias. So, as we all know, to start a business, there is lots of risk, especially for women. So, here we are discussing challenges, limitation of women entrepreneurs. First one is access to funding. Women entrepreneurs often encounter difficulty in accessing funding compared to male. There is a gender funding gap, with women-led business receiving a disproportionately lower share of venture capital and other funding resources. In the funding field also, women facing that comparison. They get only lower share of funding. Second one is gender bias and stereotypes. That is basically a primary challenge, the main challenge. That is gender bias and stereotype persists in the business world. Women may face prejudice related to their leadership capabilities, decision making skills, suitability for certain industries. These biases can affect the ability to attract investors, clients, and business partners. Networking and mentorship gaps. Limited access to networks and mentorship opportunity can hinder the growth of women entrepreneurs. Building connection is crucial for business success, and the lack of established network can put women at a disadvantages. Work-life balance. We know the balancing the demands of entrepreneurship with family responsibility can be challenging for every woman. The expectation of maintaining work-life balance may influence career choices and business decision, impacting the growth of trajectory of women-led business. So maintaining that work-life balance is difficult, a terrific challenge, hectic challenge for a women entrepreneur. Access to education and training. Unequal access to education and training program can hinder women entrepreneurs from acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed in the business. Providing educational opportunities tailored to women needs is essential for fostering entrepreneurship. Lack of role models. The scarcity of visible female role models in entrepreneurship make it difficult for women to envision themselves as successful business leaders. Having relatable role models is crucial for inspiring and empowering aspiring women entrepreneurs. Thank you. Also, this is today we discuss what you mean by women entrepreneurship, why this women entrepreneurship so important, and the challenges, limitation they are facing. Then advantages to the society when a woman entrepreneur emerges in the field of entrepreneurship. So these are the main key features and keywords for women entrepreneurship. Thank you. Have a good day.